It's a mug. But this one is a special mug because it's for Father's Day. Let's get into the video. I have already gone ahead and cut the vinyl for this one. You can see here that I did struggle with the design a little bit, and the pieces were really small, so it was very tricky to weed out. I think the best part about weeding this out was weeding out the small pieces between Dad. I decided to leave the smaller pieces between the rest of the lettering while I applied this transfer tape, so you'll see now. I used the hinged method to apply this vinyl, and the hinge method is a really neat tip for applying vinyl, especially to a round surface like this, where you apply it from the middle to the outer edge. So you'll see I used masking tape in the middle, and then I applied it. I really love how this vinyl turned out. It was such a great design, and it says best, most awesome, best, most awesome Dad, and it says that around the entire mug. After making this design, I suggest that design is best for sublimation, as weeding it out was really complicated and quite frustrating in the end, but I did it, and it was great. I love how this mug turned out. It's absolutely fantastic, and I'm sure it's gonna be loved. When it came to applying this design to the mug, I had to burnish the design down a lot. I'm not sure if it was the vinyl that I used, or if it was the surface of the mug, or if it was the way the transfer tape connected with all the small pieces and held back and kept the vinyl on the transfer tape not transferring easily to the mug, but it was really challenging. You can see here I'm pressing down all the little pieces while I carefully peel back the vinyl, and this I found was the easiest way to remove the transfer tape, just by carefully pulling it back and with my squeegee tool just holding down the little pieces while I pull back the transfer tape. And here it is, the big reveal of the finished mug. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.